What's going on, guys? ShakesandAssBreaks.com. We got a one-box personal here for Jonathan. Going to do some Phoenix football. Jonathan, what box number would you like, man? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Everybody, welcome Joel to the room. Mod Hammer dropped. Boom. Guys, Immaculate Football is sold out. It's coming up next. Grant grabbed the last spot. One, two, three is what he wants. There we go. Good luck, Jonathan. Okay, Money's excited. Immaculate's coming up next. Let's see if we can pop something big here out of this Phoenix for John. Here we go, man. Franco Harris, 6-3 of 99. Chris Johnson, Noah Spence, and Matt Forte. Russell Wilson, Earl Thomas, Patrick Peterson, Watchmen, Don Maynard, and Edgerrin James. Andrew Luck, Brock Osweiler, 69 and 299. Laquan Treadwell, sorry. Rookie of William Jackson and Rob Gronkowski. Don Maynard, 285 of 349. Mark Ingram, Alex Smith, and Justin Forsett. John Brown, Carson Palmer, Tony Romo, Streaking Success, Kenny Lawler, and Franco Harris. Drew Brees, Steve Smith, Tyler Irvin autograph jersey rookie card to 99. Tyler Irvin auto rookie to 99, 24 of 99. Troy Aikman and DeAndre Hopkins. Steve Largent, Ezekiel Elliott, 203 of 299. Jaron Reed and Colin Kaepernick. Ezekiel Elliott to 299. Tom Brady, Teddy Bridgewater, Paxton Lynch, Mike Singletary, and Jackie Smith. Luke Kuechly, Cam Newton. We got a John Riggins, 6 of 349. A Sua Cravens and a Kirk Cousins. Roger Craig. We got a Josh Doctson for the Redskins jersey card, 20 of 49. Jamal Charles, Robert Griffin III. 2 packs left. Sam Bradford, Latavius Murray, Thomas Rawls, Emmanuel Agba, and John Elway. And last pack. Mark Sanchez, Jason Witten, DeAndre Washington autograph jersey, numbered 2 of 49 for the Raiders. There you go, man. Not bad. Navarro Bowman and Jordy Nelson. There you go, buddy. Thank you, Jonathan.